Hi mates, we are service providers. I'm here to help you how to apply properly from any jobs. So whether data enters from they will be paid 16 to $18 per hours. So basically you check job description what you need, data entry per job. Okay, there is mentioned data entry per. Okay, let's see in qualifications what are required to apply to these. Okay, here are the mentions qualifications and it graduates, laptops. Okay, they are not mandatory for this job to apply, but if you have that goods, right? So when you are applying for a job, please clearly understand the qualifications. Please write and check all the metrics you need to apply for jobs. Okay, check these. Alright. Actually, ability to work independently. Okay, it's not a mandatory, but if you are a quick learner and easy to understand, that's very helpful for the job. Your experience in e-commerce or retail is also a plus. Key point to secure a job, but also it's not a mandatory for the job. But if you have experience in e-commerce and retail, that it's good, so very good to secure a good job and a quick call from a recruiter. So, what we offer, what this company give you for these jobs? Okay, company pay yours and check this and this one mentioned on the top. Hourly rate are also on. Okay, and you can check here. Okay, plus commissions, plenty of hours. No need to worry about the works and the hours. Okay, and you can check here also. Okay, and opportunity for the growth. Company, you just not stuck in the company. Company also give opportunity to growth in your jobs and a company. So you are valuable input for the company. Totally depends on you. How you work hard with the company on projects and what you give to the company for your best. Okay, pay, pay, and check your check these applicants. Okay, you have checked all the details when before you are applying for this job. So educations, high schools are equal and then equal qualification. It's a required. Okay, it's mandatory to apply for these jobs. Uh, if you don't have any qualification, you are maybe not calling from a recruiter for an interview. But if you have, you must be asked your interview from the managers. Okay, hi managers. Okay, data entry, 1 year experience preferred. Okay, or retails or e-commerce experience is also a preferred candidate for the company. Okay, it also mentions language Spanish is a preferred also, but not required for the job. Okay, but if you speak well, it's very good. We also when you are going to apply for a job, you must be craft your CV according to the job. Also, you can also directly apply through a company HR manager. You can find their LinkedIn emails, LinkedIn profile on a LinkedIn, and you can directly approach to the HR manager and send your very well crafted CV directly to the HR manager. It is possible to secure a quick interview call, also maybe a job if you very prepare your CV and you prepare for your interview. So when you are going to apply, do not rush. You just open the easy apply and send all your very cheapy and not well crafted CV. Just send to the portal. Maybe you not give a good person. Okay, if you're looking, we can also give you some tips. You can mention in the comments. Thank you.